Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shraddha Study Point. Here we are going to start UPTET Science PYQs of year 2016. So let's move to our questions. First question is magnetic quantum number determines dash. Option A, shape of orbitals. Option B, orientation of orbitals. Option C, total energy of an orbital. Option D, spin of an electron. So let's see what's the answer. First thing, magnetic quantum numbers determines 3D spatial orbit orientations. So the correct answer is orientation of orbitals. Let's move to our next question. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of dash. Option A, vitamin D. Option B, vitamin K. Option C, vitamin C. Option D, vitamin A. So, as we all know, scurvy is the disease which is caused due to lack of vitamin C. In this, the gums get swelled and blood comes out. So, the answer is vitamin C. Let's move to our next question. Which one is weak acid? Option A, citric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. The correct answer is citric acid, as we all know that citric acid is found in most of citrus fruits. Let's move to our next question. Which scientist was developed for identification of animals? Option A, Goethe. Option B, Guer. Option C, John Ray. Option D, Theocritus. The correct answer is John Ray. Let's move to our next question. Seedless fruits are of no use in dash. Option A, coconut. Option B, tomato. Option C, banana. Option D, grapes. The correct answer is coconut because it has its upper layer endosperm. Next question. Fibers of cotton are obtained from dash. Option A, the inner fruit ball. Option B, calyx. Option C, seed coat. Option D, fruit wall. So the correct answer is seed coat. We next move to next question. Silk is obtained from which stage of silkworm? Egg. Option A, egg. Option B, pupa. Option C, adult. Option D, larva. So we all know that pupa is the third stage of silkworm. So the correct answer is pupa. Let's move to our next question. Which of the following are usually the aim of science course? Here some options are there. Developing an understanding of scientific terminology, developing open-mindedness, providing relevant foundation for higher studies, restricting within the disciplinary boundaries of laws. So here developing an understanding of scientific, as because it is of science course, so it is developing an understanding of scientific terminology is very important. Option B, we should be open-mindedness, and option C, provide relevant foundation for higher studies. So the correct answer is A, B and C. Let's move to our next question. Here match the following. In first part there is producers, consumers and decomposers, and next part we have protozoans, blue-green algae and fungi. So first is producers. As we all know, they are blue-green algae because they are photosynthetic producers. Consumers are protozoans because they depend upon blue-green algae, and decomposers are those who depend upon protozoans. So the correct answer is fourth. So the mass of an object on the earth is 10 kg. What it is weight on the earth? So as we all know that the formula of taking out the weight, so weight equals to weight weight equals to m into g. Here small g is gravitational. The value is 9.8 Newton. So W equals to 10 into 9.8. So answer comes 98 Newton. So the answer is 98 Newton. Next question. The order of colors in rainbow is. Here we are having a trick. The trick is Vibgyor. So V violet, I indigo, B for blue, G green, Y yellow, O orange and red. So the answer is D. Next question we have, in an acid-base reaction, which product is produced with salt? Option A hydrogen gas, option B oxygen gas, option C carbon dioxide, option D water. We all know if we do a chemical reaction of acid and base, so the product comes out as salt plus water. So the answer is water. Next question we have, the longest snakes found in the world are vipers, anacondas, boas and reticulated pythons. Reticulated pythons are the longest, whereas green anacondas are the heaviest snakes of the earth. Next question, select from the following a group of disease caused by a bacteria are tuberculosis, pneumonia and typhoid, chickenpox, influenza and polio. Option C malaria, polio and typhoid. Option D chickenpox, meningitis and tuberculosis. As we all know, tuberculosis, pneumonia and typhoid are bacterial disease, whereas others are viral disease or caused from viruses. Let's move to our next question. Most plants obtain nitrogen from soil in the following form: free nitrogen, nitric acid, ammonia or nitrates. So the correct answer is nitrates, because plants are obtaining nitrogen from soil, and so in soil ammonia and nitrates are present in equal amounts. Next question, which of the following is a process in which hot, less dense materials rise upwards and are replaced by colder, more dense materials? Condensation, radiation, conduction, convection. Answer is convection. So it was our last question. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.